I just got back from a test drive. This car is incredible. As I was pulling out, there must have been 25 people I passed, and they talk about houses with $1 million view. This car gave me that $1 million feeling. I'm sure everyone was envious. I went out and drove it. This car will go down the highway all day long. I didn't have any real expressways to get it on, but I was doing 60 miles an hour in 5th gear, and it was barely turning any RPMs. I didn't even need to use 6th gear. So I'm sure out on the open highway with them tall tires with that 6-speed, I bet you can cruise at 75 miles an hour with no problems. It actually drove really good. I didn't know if the tires were going to rub, if it's going to be bottoming out, but it handled great. The steering was fantastic. I just got back. The temperature is just over 180 now. It's climbing now because I shut the car off, but it stayed at about 165, 170 as I was driving the car. I also wanted to point out the car does have 7,700 miles on it, so this is a driver. The shift, I love the feel of the handle. It just like click, click, click. Just probably like what you're used to in your car. It just goes right through the gears. Oil pressure was excellent. So I'm really impressed with it. I'm blown away. Something squeaking in the interior we'll take a look at, like the seat rubbing against the panel is just rubbing and squeaking. For what it's worth, this light's just a magnet. I thought it was kind of ugly, but it does work. So there you have it. I have a little taste of it. The car is awesome in my opinion. Comfortable too. I fit right in that seat. I don't know how comfortable the back seats are, but when they tub a car, a lot of times you lose the back seat. This one still has the back seat. Right for little people.